Yes. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Love of Theo channel. This is another video that I'm bringing you right here from the Love of Theo channel. Now, today we are going to a special town. A special town with the special characteristics, special things. This is Kijabe town. So, what is it about this town? This town, I'm told that it has no bar whatsoever or any liquor selling joint in this beautiful town of Kijabe. So we want just to go and find out, is it true that in Kijabe there is no liquor selling joints? Ladies and gentlemen, keep it in the Love of Theo channel as we are proceeding to that beautiful and awesome place. We are just hearsay, but we want to confirm to you, I want to confirm to you today that indeed this town there is no liquor selling joint. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for keeping up with me. Before we get to that town, before we check that town and see what is happening right in that town, if you are new subscriber here, if you are new here, please consider subscribing to this channel so that whenever we give these awesome videos, we upload these awesome and beautiful videos here with the great content here in this channel, you are the first one to see the notification. Make sure you ring that bell. After subscribing, ring that bell so that all notifications, you get them ASAP. And also, if you have been here and you have not subscribed yet, kindly do so to support me, to give me that courage, to give me that courage, and to give me that strength to be able to get more and more content for you guys. So, ladies and gentlemen, walk with me, come with me, and let's enjoy. Make sure you hit that like button, thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share to your friends that in the Love of Theo great things are happening. So we are moving towards that town and see indeed, is it true that in Kijabe there is no liquor selling joints? I can't wait to see today. So thank you so much for keeping locked, and let's move on. Yes. Finally, we are here in Kijabe Junction. So this is the junction that goes to the Kijabe Hospital and the Kijabe town. So the hospital is down there. So this is the highway. I was from this side here, that side here, from Nairobi, the Nairobi side, and then going all round, and it's quite a distance from Nairobi. And then I alighted from here, from the matatu that I was boarding, and this is the way to Nakuru city. So this is from Nairobi city all the way to Nakuru city. So you can see this place You cannot even, if you are not very careful, reading the posters, reading the signposts, you might get lost, or you might pass this place. So this is Kijabe. Now I've just done my inquiry. It's true that Kijabe town, there is no bar. Ladies and gentlemen, where on earth there is a town and there is no bar? Hi, this is the only town in the world that has no bar. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm told this place around here, this is the junction. So in the junction here, you can find there's a bar in this junction here. But when you move to the Kijabe town, there is no bar. Ladies and gentlemen, I can't wait to see where this beautiful town without a bar inside it. So guys, I'm just so much excited to see a town in the world without a bar. So let's jump in and move to that direction right there. Thank you. So the greatest thing about this place again is that about the hospital. It has a very big hospital and a nice hospital. Something very nice about this hospital is that you cannot even smell a single scent, hospital like scent. Mostly in Kenya, what you can smell whenever you just walk into an hospital in Kenya, there's that smell from the hospital. But now in this hospital, in this scenario in Kijabe, things are different. You can even enjoy your breakfast, enjoy your tea, enjoy your food inside this hostel right here in Kijabe. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, as I told you before, as I told you the other time around, that this is Kijabe right here. Now, in this Kijabe, I told you there's something very unique about Kijabe. What is it? It's about the only town in the world without a drinking joint or a liquor joint. So ladies and gentlemen, walk with me as I'm showing you around this place. So what you are seeing is Kijabe Boys right behind me. That is the Kijabe Boys High School. And also we have a postal office right there. So if you need your letter, to pick your letter from Kijabe, that's where you can pick your letter from. So as you can see, this town is kind of an old town here in Kijabe. It's a kind of an old town. You can see this place here. I don't know, look at the building. The building can just tell you this is an old town right here in this place here. So ladies and gentlemen, I want just to show you some small parts of this Kijabe town. So this is how it is. It is what it is. Cars there, everything is here. There's a petrol station here. I don't know how many, but there is a petrol station right there. So the weather here, something unique about this place again is about the weather. The weather is chill, a chilly weather. Huh? It is a chilly weather. There's a lot of forest right in this place, and the drainage is awesome and very, very awesome. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the Kijabe. That's the direction of the Kijabe hospital. I'm now moving to the Kijabe town. It's located. So this is Kijabe. I'm moving towards the Kijabe town, and there's a children's recreational center that I think they are doing some renovations there, so that kids, when they close during the weekends, can come and enjoy themselves right in this place here. So yes, it is what it is. This is Kijabe. I'm happy to be in this Kijabe. I'm so much excited to be in this beautiful city, this beautiful town called Kijabe town. So enjoy this video. If you are new here, kindly make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video and share. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I'm so much humbled for you to be in this channel here. Continue supporting me. Recommend this channel to somebody else, to anybody else. So this is Kijabe. So I think I'm told the reason. So there's so many special things that are here. Number one, there's no liquor joint in this area here, or in this place here. Number two, there is only one church, that's the AIC church right in this town here. Number three, there are only two high schools, that's the boys high school, Kijabe Boys High School, and Kijabe Girls High School. Number four, it has only one primary school right in this town here. What a blessing. Is it a blessing or what a uniqueness? Oh yes, we are cruising in Kijabe town. So the main reason this place here, I'm told this area here, it has been a missionary town or a missionary land where so many people, or where missionaries came and settled, build schools, the three schools that I'm telling you, built the three schools. They built the hospital, a very big hospital I've seen there. They also built a church right in this place here. So this is Kijabe. If you have heard of Kijabe, and I know everybody has heard of Kijabe, or majority of people in Kenya have heard of Kijabe because of Kijabe Hospital. But this uniqueness, the uniqueness of Kijabe, I doubt if there are so many people who know about this uniqueness. So the uniqueness of this place is super awesome. It has just blown my mind, and I can't believe that there is a town on earth or under the sun that is under the sun that has no liquor joint. Oh, what a privilege. I'm so much privileged to be in this place here. So ladies and gentlemen, if you see this video helpful and informative about Kijabe town, kindly hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you hit a like. Just hit a like. Anybody, just hit a like. We tell you more about Kijabe town. So this is how Kijabe town look like. There's business booming. I've just asked what is happening, how is business in this place. They are saying the business is super fresh air. You just breathe in fresh air from this place. So this is Kijabe. This is Kijabe. Kijabe, though it has it's just a small town right here. You can see the guest lodgings are there. I've written there guest lodgings right there. So the uniqueness of this place is super awesome. I've never heard of this. I've never heard of a town without a bar, without a joint. Here in Kijabe, there are free water taps. What do I mean? You can just get in, drink water, and move. There are no restrictions, no security, nobody can buy you, nobody can ask you that you are using this water. You can just take water freely and walk your way. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to end this video here. I'm cruising back to Nairobi, and thank you so much for supporting this channel. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for everything. May God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.